Okay, what do you say we put them over against that wall right over there? All right. Okay, I utilized my grape arbor. Well, I cut it last year and I decided to make all my tree and my log yard. But if you cut these just right for your trees, like this has got a real nice swelled butt here. Oh! But see how it swells out like, you know, the tree coming out of the ground? And the crookedness of it. Trees are never all straight. Anyway, so I use all this. Of course, try to find straighter ones, you know. Like this one, not bad. Come out of there. Like right there. Okay, let me show you how I turned that into a fairly good looking tree. Okay, I used the grape vine because the bark on it looks more like the red cedar. This is a red cedar mill, and their main tree is red cedar. And these really look like the red cedar. So, okay, our railroad got its name from this tree. It's a western red cedar, 80 feet tall maybe. So all my trees. Okay, I'm going to show you how I made that one right there. Okay, one like that one right there. Or you can make these. Now these are for my flat wall up against the skyline. So I made a bunch of flat ones to go right against the skyline. Okay, so here's our grape vine. Makes a good tree stock. And there's how they turn out. And I just love this crooked one. Put it on the side of a hill or something. Okay, let's cut us another one. Yeah, let's give this like a side hill, big old stump on here. Oh my. Yeah, that'll work. Now this is wood glue. It's yellow. I find it works pretty good on about most of this treeing stuff. Anyway, you see what I'm doing? Okay, now this style of tree always has a little furry trunk on it. So you can always utilize these little pieces. Just anywhere up and down there. I usually wait till the end and fill them in. Like I did right here. Anyway, I use those to fill in, like right here, here. That way you can use pretty much 100% of that. Right, we'll let that dry for a while. Now we can go over here. Okay, we got 7 of them done. Now, like I say, these all go against my wall. That's why they're flat. And with what material we have left, it looks like we can make about maybe 10 more. So anyway, that's We'll put them on the layout later. Okay, what do you say we put them over against that wall right over there? All right. And one more. Okay, that is that.